Okay, reinforcement learning, a practical introduction. A little bit about Orions Systems. So at Orions, we focus on a video analytics platform for the enterprise and intelligence agencies. We're distributed, hierarchical, and we mix AI and human compute. And so what do we mean by that? Well, the first version of our platform we created for a company called Synergy Sports. And that first version used 100% human compute to annotate near live NBA games, basketball games, and baseball games. And the way we solved for that was to distribute tasks among many humans, because a human will run slower than the real-time footage, but by having many humans, we're able to keep up with real time. And hierarchical, that means that we're able to take specialist tasks and give those to experts. And we were able to scale that to doing in excess of 100,000 games a year just using humans. Version 2 of our platform introduces AI capabilities as well as this human compute. That means we have a very unique approach to AI and distributed compute. One of the beauties of having a platform where you have the interchangeable human and AI is that you can go into a domain and you can start creating data with humans straight away, and then you can use that data to teach algorithms. And then the role of the human may change, so then the role of the human would be to QA the algorithms. And it means that you're not limited by today's capabilities of AI. You can use humans to take that further. We were acquired by Microsoft in July 2020, and the technology and the team, we joined the Dynamics Connected Store group at Microsoft.